Hey bass lovers, are you tired of weak muddy sound from your car's audio system? Do you crave tight, punchy bass that doesn't just rumble, but sings with clarity? Well, today's video is your ultimate solution. We're diving into the top 5 best SQ 8-inch subwoofers that deliver sound quality so rich, you'll feel like you're front row at a concert. Whether you're upgrading your ride or building a new system from scratch, this review will help you pick the perfect subwoofer for your setup. So stick around till the end, because our number 1 pick might just surprise you. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the best car audio gear reviews. And don't forget to check the links in the description below for the best deals on all the subwoofers we're covering today. Drop a comment and let me know which one you'd choose for your car. Your feedback helps others make smarter decisions too. Starting off at number 5, we have the Alpine R2W8D2R series subwoofer. This next-generation 8-inch subwoofer features dual 2-ohm voice coils and boasts a peak power handling of 1000 watts with 350 watts RMS. It includes a polypropylene and ceramic composite dust cap, Kevlar-reinforced pulp cone, and Alpine's signature high-amplitude multi-roll surround for maximum cone excursion. The subwoofer is built with a large double-stacked magnet and a twist-lock grille mount system, all designed to deliver deep, accurate bass with minimal distortion. What makes the Alpine R2W8D2 stand out is its balance between power and precision. It's ideal for users who want a subwoofer that can handle high output without sacrificing clarity. The ceramic dust cap and Kevlar cone ensure durability and clean sound reproduction, making it perfect for daily drivers who want consistent performance. One shortcoming is that it requires a well-matched amp to unlock its full potential, but once dialed in, it's absolutely worth it. At number 4, we've got the Rockford Fosgate P3SD2 8-punch Stage 3 shallow mount subwoofer. This 8-inch sub features dual 2-ohm voice coils and handles 150 watts RMS with a peak power of 300 watts. It's built with an anodized aluminum cone, emerald santoprene surround, and a stamp-cast basket with integrated spider venting. With a mounting depth of just 2.66 inches and a sensitivity of 82 decibels, it's designed specifically for vehicles with limited space. The Rockford Fosgate P3SD28 is a game-changer for compact installations. It's perfect for trucks, sedans, or any vehicle where space is tight but bass is still a priority. The aluminum cone and santoprene surround deliver tight, responsive bass, and the shallow design doesn't compromise on sound quality. Its only drawback is the lower RMS rating compared to others on this list, but for shallow installs, it's a top-tier performer that's absolutely worth the investment. Coming in at number 3 is the Sundown Audio SD48 subwoofer. This 8-inch subwoofer features dual 2 or 4-ohm voice coils and handles 400 watts RMS. It's optimized for small sealed enclosures and built with a lightweight neodymium motor, computer-optimized foam W surround, and a 2-inch 8-layer copper voice coil. The sub also includes a large aluminum Faraday ring, patented high-strength cast aluminum frame, and stitched-on tinsel lead wires for durability and low distortion. The Sundown SD48 is a standout for audiophiles who demand precision and clarity in tight spaces. Its neodymium motor and Faraday ring work together to produce smooth acoustic response, making it ideal for sealed box setups in daily drivers or SQ builds. The only downside is its premium price tag, but the performance and build quality justify every penny. At number 2, we have the DD Audio SW08 subwoofer. This 8-inch subwoofer is part of the Redline SW series and features dual 2 or 4-ohm voice coils with a 2-inch high-temp coil. It handles 300 watts RMS and is high-def tuned for sealed and small vented enclosures. The sub includes an EROM surround, vented stamped steel frame, vented backplate, and push terminals for easy installation. It's designed to deliver extreme bass and value for low to moderate power levels. The DD Audio SW08 is perfect for budget-conscious users who still want serious bass. It's rugged, reliable, and tuned for high-definition sound, making it a great choice for entry-level systems or secondary installs. I recently installed the SW-Duos08 in a client's compact sedan, and it was one of the smoothest installs I've done in a while. The push terminals made wiring quick and clean, and the sub's compact frame fit perfectly into a custom sealed enclosure we built for the trunk. Once powered up, the bass was surprisingly deep and tight for its size. No rattles, no distortion, just clean low end that added serious punch to the client's playlist. He was blown away by how much sound came from such a small setup, and it didn't require a high-end amp to shine. Its only limitation is the moderate power handling, but for its price and performance, it's a steal. And finally, our number one pick, the JL Audio 8W3 V3 4 subwoofer. This 8-inch subwoofer features a single 4-ohm voice coil and handles 250 watts RMS with a peak power of 500 watts. It has a resonance frequency of 35.1 Hz, a sensitivity of 83.1 decibels, and a linear excursion of plus or minus 10 mm. The sub is built with a 10 mm X-Max, 2-inch voice coil, and a motor structure that includes a BL factor of 11.8. It's designed for sealed or ported enclosures and delivers powerful, accurate bass with minimal distortion. JL Audio's 8W3 V3 4 is the gold standard for sound quality in compact subwoofers. It's perfect for users who want refined bass that complements rather than overwhelms their music. The engineering behind this sub ensures tight, controlled output, making it ideal for SQ-focused builds. I've had the JL Audio 8W3 V3C4 in a former car for a few months, and honestly, it's one of the best audio upgrades I ever made. Right out of the box, you can tell it's built with care, solid construction, clean design, and it fits perfectly in a compact enclosure. Once I got it wired up and tuned, the difference was awesome. The bass is smooth and tight, not boomy or muddy like some cheaper subs I've tried. It doesn't just shake the car, it adds depth to the music, especially with vocals and acoustic tracks. You feel the kick drum, but it doesn't drown out the rest of the sound. Its only drawback is that it's not the loudest sub on the list, but if you value clarity and precision, this is the one to beat. Now, if you're shopping for an 8-inch subwoofer focused on sound quality, here are a few quick tips. Look for subs with high RMS ratings and low distortion specs. They'll give you clean, consistent output. Materials matter too. Cones made from aluminum, Kevlar, or composite blends tend to offer better durability and responsiveness. Pay attention to enclosure compatibility. Some subs are optimized for sealed boxes while others thrive in ported setups. And finally, match your sub's impedance and power handling with a quality amp to unlock its full potential. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more expert audio reviews and car tech breakdowns. Hit that bell so you never miss an update. And don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals on these subwoofers. Drop a comment below and let us know which one you'd install in your ride, or what you're currently rocking.